So this is a continuation of a previous video. I'm going to walk through some additional CAPM practice questions. Just as an FYI, if you're looking for more CAPM prep resources, including a free practice test, it's actually a full-length practice test, visit projectprep.org. Here's another question. Which of the following is an input to the control communications process? The answer is an issue log, or the issue log. Most of the other options, change requests and work performance information, are actually outputs of this process as opposed to inputs. Here's question 10. A project has 13 stakeholders. How many communication channels exist? The correct answer is 78. So if you remember the communication channels calculation, it's n times n minus 1, and then you divide by 2. So in this case, that would be 13 times 13 minus 1 divided by 2, which gives us 78. Number 11, perform quantitative risk analysis is performed in which process group? The answer here is planning. So we identify risks, analyze risks, and actually plan risk responses in the planning process group. Okay, question 12. Raw observations identified during project activities, such as actual costs and durations, are considered what? The answer here is work performance data. What's going to happen is that we then turn that data into useful work performance information. So an example would be, based on our actual costs, which is performance data, we know that we are overspending and at risk of running out of funding. That would be then information. We've turned data into information. Question 13. On a project to construct a new warehouse, 2 weeks before painting is complete, the activity to lay carpet can begin. This is an example of what? The answer here is a lead. So because the successor activity, which is laying the carpet, can start before the predecessor, which is painting, is complete, it is a lead. So the successor can start sooner. There's no need to wait. If it had to start 2 weeks after, that'd be a lag. There would be a gap. Question 14. When using EVM, which is a measure of schedule efficiency on a project? The answer is the Schedule Performance Index, the SPI. That's a measure of schedule efficiency, which is a ratio. The schedule variance, SV, measures schedule performance. And that's the difference between earned value and planned value. So SPI is measuring efficiency, and that's a ratio. Schedule variance, SV, measures schedule performance. Question 15. Which of the following techniques uses algorithms to generate cost or schedule estimates based on historical data? Okay, the answer here is parametric estimating. The way that I remember this is by thinking about the word metric and parametric. So metrics are mathematical, just like algorithms. Number 16. All of the following are outputs of the monitor and control project work process except. Okay, it's the change log. That's actually an output of perform integrated change control.